Alright, show you my brood tank slash quarantine tank and the filter system I have for it. So I have a drain over here if I ever want to just drain from the bottom. It also has PVC every 8 inches running in a pattern every 8 inches, and on the bottom of the PVC pipe, the 1/2 inch PVC lines that run at 60 degree, 2 on 60-degree angles every 3 inches. There's holes drilled, so suction off the bottom. It covers the whole bottom of the tank. 1 inch river rock in there. It goes through that valve into a DC adjustable low watt pump. I can pump anywhere from 1,000 GPH up to 1,900 GPH. This dial. Okay, so it goes up the pump into the Tote BioSmart, just a mechanical filter. Got the sponge set up with a biofilter. Comes out of the Tote into my moving bed reactor, out of the reactor into the ceramic, and then into this full of Metallifalls, and under that Metallomat is also more ceramic. So that is the system I'm running for it. I have one little guy in here right now. He sticks with this. It's amazing how he can, there he is, stays right with it. Ah, there you are, busted, buddy. Getting the falls. Anyhow, bug. That is the system.